All right, YouTube. So I'm sitting in the 4Runner currently, and the next project that we're going to work on is a new head unit running Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let me go inside and show you guys what I got and what we're working with. Now I'm inside because I have a lot more space, but this is the kit that I got. Just some Amazon kit that was on there. Nothing too fancy. Came with a camera and a bunch of wires, cables, brackets to connect everything. What the head unit is. So, it looks like this. So I'm going to go ahead and connect all the wires that I need. And a lot of these I won't need because it does come with a reverse camera. I'm not going to use that. It does come with its own GPS. And I'm not going to use that because I'm going to be using my phone for that. But also I don't trust it because I don't know what information is going where. So I don't need my GPS signal going anywhere else. I'll just use what I have on my phone. But I'll just connect all the wires that I need to make this work properly and to connect to my phone and to connect to the vehicle. And I'll go from there. All right, so that was fairly simple. It was just one cable here, one there, and then these two USBs. So it's literally 4 cables that had to be plugged into the end of this head unit. Now, this extra one, this is for parking sensors. Don't have it. And then these two, GPS and for the camera. And I said, I'm not going to use those. So the way that this connects to the vehicle, what I'm assuming is these brackets go into the existing mount within the housing. And then this part here, these two connect to this housing and this clips into that. I'm fairly certain that's how it goes. So now it's time to go inside the vehicle, take everything apart, and put it together. So now we're gonna go ahead and go inside, rip everything out, install this new one, and then see how it goes. Now to start this, we're gonna have to remove the old one and then install the new one. All right, so there's a couple of things we need to remove to get to the head unit. So first we're gonna start with this center console. Just pull this straight up. And then we also have to remove this part underneath the steering wheel. And the only thing holding that in place is this clip on this ignition. So once we remove that, there's a 10mm bolt back there. And then there's also a couple of bolts back here behind this thing that we also have to remove. And that's going to be right there. All right, so now that I got that off, I got that screw off from there, I'm gonna pull out this climate control, and then there's 2 more screws underneath there holding in the head unit. So I'll take those out and you'll see me do all of that. All right, now that we have everything out, time to come back inside and transfer our brackets, our supports, which are gonna go on the inside of this to support everything here. So I'm just gonna take these off and put these on the inside, and then we'll get our cables all connected in the truck. All right, now I have my base in there. Now it's time to start wiring everything up. I'm just gonna connect the wires, and then I'll give it a quick turn on. I'll connect the battery back, turn it on, and see if everything goes on. If it does, I'll disconnect the battery again and reattach everything. Okay, moment of truth, everything's still taken apart. We have power. All right, I think we're good. All right, so while I still have everything apart, I'm gonna go ahead and wire my wired Apple CarPlay. So there's a USB port. I'm gonna stick this back here so it can fall in behind the floorboard and I can have access to it. And I'm also gonna wire in my microphone, which is right here. I'm gonna try to hide the wire all in the crevice here, just with this little pry tool that I have, so I can just stick it in place and I won't see it, and I'm just gonna wire it all around so it's out of the way. All right, everything's back together, and as you can see, it's working. All right, so this is the home screen for it. It has 3 songs that are already downloaded on there, which is odd. Radio's working and everything. This is Android, but let me go ahead and see if I can get to, I don't need to use Google Maps, but let me see if I can go ahead and get to my Bluetooth setting and set everything up for Apple CarPlay. Now this is the screen that comes up for the home screen, and Bluetooth here starting up. So that right there means Bluetooth CarPlay is beginning. All right, and here you go. Here's my CarPlay all connected. So you can see it works. There is a bit of a delay because I'm recording the video and trying to select things. But without the recording going on, everything is fairly quick. All right, well, I hope this video helped someone, but essentially it's just ripping out the center console, installing the one that you want to install. Make sure you have the correct wiring harnesses. This one that I picked up on Amazon did have the wiring harness that connected to this vehicle specifically, and I'll leave the link in the description below. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.